Let's see the problem of merge two sorted lists. Actually, here two lists has been given. Both are sorted format. See, 11224 list 1 and list 2 is 1234. So we have to merge both lists in the form of sorted lists. Okay. So actually this is linked list in the linked list format now. So how to merge? What I will do? I will take one dummy node. This is dummy node. So at first we will compare both list 1 and list 2, whichever will be minimum. This dummy node will point to that node. Okay, so just see, list 1 and list 2 first item is both are 1. So any item I just take first list item. Okay, so n1 node, so this will take n1 node. This is n1. So what will happen, this dummy node will point here. Okay, so now this will be our current node, and for list 1 first item we have already compared. So this list 1 will now point to its second item, that means its next item. So current will be this one, first node. Now we will again compare. Now we will compare the item with 2 and 1. List 1 item is 2 and list 2 item is 1. So which one is lesser? This one is lesser. So what will happen, this current next pointer will be this one, so 1 will come here. So 1 is here, this is node 5. So this will be current node now, this will be updated current node, and this will be list 2. This list 2 will be updated here. Now see again, which will be our current node? Current node is this one. Now we will compare again list 1 and list 2 node. So 2 and 2 both are same, so we will take list 1 node. Okay, just take list 1. If both are equal, then we will take list 1 node. So this 2, this is node 2. Okay, so this will be our current node now. See, it is going like this, and our list 1 node will be this n3. Now again we will compare list 1 and list 2 node. So 2 and 2, again 2, so this list 1 will come. Both are equal, then we will take list 1 node. So this is again n3. Now it has gone like this, and this will be our current node, and list 1 node will be now this one. Now we will compare list 1 and list 2 node. So 4 and 2, so which one is lesser? List 2 node. So now 2 of list 2 will come. This is n6. So from here this one, and list 2 will now point to 3. This is list 2. Now we will compare list 1 and list 2. So which one is lesser? List 2 node is lesser. So again this will be our current node. From here this will be current node. So 2 to 3. This is n7, and next node of list 2 will be this one, list 2. Now again we will compare list 1 and list 2 item. So both are same, so list 1 will come. This is node 4. So from here 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, and list 1 will now point to null. It's gone. So until list 1 is there, only we will compare. Okay, so the list 1 has gone. Now list 4, list 2, its last item is this one, 4. So this is n8. So from 4 to here. So see, now this is sorted. So our initial node will be this one. So initially we have taken dummy na, so dummy dot next will be the starting pointer of this sorted list. So what has happened? 1 1 2 2 2 3 4 4. This is sorted list. The code of merge to sorted lists. So here two list has been given in sorted format and I have to merge both list in sorted list. So how will we do? We have to return the head of the merge linked list. Okay, so I will take one virtual pointer or dummy pointer. So just take dummy pointer, and one more I will represent this one current node. So this will be list node. I will initialize with initial list node, and its a pointer is dummy or current. Okay, why I have taken two pointer I will show. So we will traverse inside the both the lists. So while list 1 and list 2, until we have both the list, we will compare both list value. So if list 1 dot value is lesser than or equal to list 2 dot value, so our initial pointer is dummy. Okay, so its next pointer will be, just put dummy as it is. I will take current. Okay, so it's better na to point from current. So current next, current dot next will be this list 1 pointer. See, initially current was pointing to just a pointer. Okay, just a list node, and now this list 1 value should be pointed by this current pointer. So current dot next will be list 1, and we will update current value by list 1. So current will be list 1 node, and our list 1 next will be list 1 dot next. See, current was initial node, so we have just appended one value inside this linked list, that is list 1 dot value. So this current will point to just this node. Okay, and again we have to update the current value na, because this pointer is already on list 1. So for next comparison our current will be this value which we have pointed. So list 1 I have given, and list 1 value, because already one value has been compared, so for next value we will compare again. So I have taken list 1 equal to list 1 dot next. Okay, and in else condition, list 2 dot value is greater than list 1 dot value. So in that case current dot next will be list 2, and our current will be list 2, and list 2 will be list 2 dot next. Okay, so like this it will go inside while loop until there are some items in list 1 or and list 2. So this will come out of this while loop. Now after coming out of the while loop, it can be the case there are still some items in some lists. Okay, so current dot next will be list 1 if list 1 else list 2. See, we have taken current 1 dot next if list 1 dot value is less than or equal to list 2 dot value, or if list 2 dot value is less than, then we have taken current dot next equal to. So after coming outside of this while loop, remaining item as it is we can put inside of this inside of this list, because its pointer will again point to the remaining item of any list whichever is there. So no need of comparison there. So just current dot next equal to list 1 if list 1 else list 2, and we have to return the head of the merge linked list. So return, see, current is updated but dummy is still on the first node which we have defined. So return dummy dot next. See, current has been updated. It has gone after what comparison to anywhere. That means it has gone on some other position of the list, but dummy is still pointing on first node. So whatever was current first pointer, dummy is also first pointer, so return dummy dot next. So just run this program. Okay, this L is capital here. Accepted, submitted. Okay, thank you.